All right, hola, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe for more tool haul videos. Today's video is brought to you by Diversitech. Now, if you didn't know, Diversitech handles so many brands under their umbrella. You're going to have Hilmor. You're going to have the Titan capacitor lineup. You're going to have Hvacr, which we use a lot of parts from, Swoosh, and there's many more. I can leave a whole graphic on their lineup. And maybe you didn't realize how much stuff you actually have from Diversitech, but in my van it is like packed with their parts, and we were big fans of the Hilmor tool lineup. My brother, super fanatic for their hand tools. I've always loved their leak detectors. And today they sent out a few things, and we're going to just kind of open up everything and show you guys what we got. So we'll get into the leak detectors in a bit. I will say this was my favorite, most trusted leak detector for the longest time. I think one of my first videos, but I had to private it, is actually this review. So I had one like 5 years ago that I bought. I bought it off True Tech Tools, and that thing found everything for me. I never had an issue. Now, you might have issues with micro leaks or micro channels. I've had that before with infrared leak detectors, but for the most part, this one was the most reliable that I had. And like I said, it never failed me. Big fan of it until I left. I had just charged it, and I remember that I left a little waterproof or water resistant flaps. I left them open. We had a big storm, and I had left it on the rooftop. I went back for it a couple days later, didn't work. So I was very upset about it, and then I had to go back to my old school TechMate. The old school, I hate it because it beeps so much, and there's no mute button on it. So I hated that leak detector, but it worked. So I went back to that until I eventually started working with companies. And obviously, if you've seen my channel, I think I did a LE Tech and a field piece leak detector review, but even those I've had issues with. So, or you know which one I had an issue with. And we're back to this. So they sent out both of their leak detectors. We also got their micron gauge here. I have no idea if there's an app. The barcode or the QR code here does not work anymore, so maybe they got rid of it. But this, they've had it forever, is their uh, compact micron gauge. I specifically asked for this one because obviously it's compact. It's a nice little unit there, but their wireless one, and granted, these have been out for a long time. They're probably due for some upgrades in the future, but this is just, it is what it is. It's a micron gauge, and that's all I wanted. They do have a wireless version, but I think it needs like a remote and something else to connect to it. It doesn't connect to, from what I understand, an app. This comes with a carrying pouch and the micron gauge. And what I do like is the green light is pretty good, and you can see the display there, and it reads atmospheric pressure there. So it starts you here, and you can actually see if it's going down or not. That's a big issue with some micron gauges that make you wait, and it's just like a bar, and then at some point at 10,000 or whatever it is, it'll tell you, oh, it's finally reading microns. So I like that this one reads it when it's open to atmosphere. All right, so my garage time was up, so we're out here gonna finish up the video real quick. Battery's gonna die, but yeah, I was just saying that I really like the micron gauge. It's very legible out here in the outdoors, and there is that green light. I think that's better than the blue lights that you see on other brands. These are the leak detectors here. So we got an infrared, which is the one that I had before. We're gonna let that warm up. This one does, well, they both come in a case. This one does come with some accessories.
Actually, it comes with a flashlight, and that also works as a UV light that can attach to the wand here, so it can kind of shine light. Or that UV, if you guys are looking for leaks and it potentially has dye. I could have actually used that on the call recently, but yeah, this is the infrared one, very durable. It is rechargeable. Like I'm saying, they need to update some of these, but this is micro USB, but it does last a long time. And that is the one that I had before. This one is heated diode. Now, heated diode is a very reliable leak detector in most cases. It's a little bit different. It can be sensitive, but what I've noticed on this one is that it hasn't given me any false readings yet. So like out here, if it's real windy, typically these will go off like crazy, and you have to be careful with where you point it and all that. But I'm actually pretty impressed with the Hilmor one. This is not rechargeable, so that's another drawback. It does take, I want to say it's 3 AA batteries, which is not horrible. I accidentally turned it off. And yeah, if you guys are interested, we'll do comparisons or reviews on them, but so far so good. It's a decent size. Sensitivity is just from a scale of 1 to 6. And it gives you a number readout. It won't give you like parts per million or anything. It'll just give you like, I believe it's a scale from 1 to 10, something like that, because I did get a reading of 7 on this when I used it the other day. When it picked up something and I got close, like right on it. So that is their leak detector. So Diversitech also sent over some of their other lineups as far as their surge protection. So this is the CoolGuard 2. This is a big one. It's like an all-in-one, handles over voltage, under voltage, and surge protection all in one. I see a lot of guys using this one. That's a unit itself. You would mount this to a condensing unit, 120, 240. Shows you in the back how to set that up. They also have a soft start. So this is from Diversitech, but it's Soft Start Home by Soft Start USA. So Diversitech has a lot of different, they got all the connectors and everything in the box, but they have a lot of different products that you guys can get. So obviously check with your compressor manufacturer literature, all that, if you're okay to run a soft start. Usually you just have to double check. They will let you know that their compressor or that one that you're looking to put this on is compatible or recommended, right? Because there's some that they tell you no. So make sure you do your homework, your research, and you can put a soft start from Diversitech there. Also got a little surge protector. So this one is from Hvacr. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of stuff in the van that I've been buying for years from Hvacr. Reliable to me. I've never had issues or callbacks on any of their stuff. This is the Ditech surge protection. So that one's pretty simple. You mount it up by the disconnect box and you're able to just quickly wire that in and it'll tell you if it's okay or not. And again, 120, 240. So that's their surge protection, or some of it, their lineup right there. All right, and like I said, I have these drawers full of Hvacr stuff that I always stocked, and I did always use their capacitors. So I do have a drawer of contactors, transformers, capacitors, all from a Diversitech branch of theirs. So like I said, Hvacr is a big one for us, and also the Titan series. So you got Titan Pro and Titan HD. They sent me these out specifically, but I've been buying the Titan HD just because I prefer made in USA, right? So if you go to your supply house and they have Titan HD, that is a USA product. If you buy Titan Pro, which is very common as well, this one is made in China. Obviously one is a little bit cheaper when you go and pick these up, and one is made in USA and it's a little bit more. So the cool thing with their capacitors now, I just want to quickly mention, guys, because there has been another company that's boasted about like 5-year warranty. Titan themselves, so I got to see this firsthand and they told me about it. I didn't know, at the AHR booth. Titan Pro which is the cheaper one, now comes with a 5-year warranty. And their Titan HD made in America is now a 10-year warranty. So if you guys are, I don't know, if you guys are worried about that kind of stuff, the reliability, longevity of a capacitor, I've had no callbacks putting these in for years now. Like I said, I personally would go out and buy the Titan HD USA made. That was just my preference. I felt like they might last longer. And now you're covered under that warranty. That's just a peace of mind for you. They believe in their product that much. And if you want to, you can use that as a selling point to your customer. Like, hey, 5-year warranty, 10-year warranty, whatever it is. Because we all know we're not going out there for 20 bucks, whatever it is. There is a price for overhead, everything else that comes out. And you can now kind of build that warranty into that price. And then they can know that at least the part itself will be covered 5 to 10 years after you install it. All right, guys, I just wanted to quickly do a tool haul. We ended up in the van. I got to load up all this stuff anyway. I have other boxes that showed up too, so eventually I'm going to do another one. But if you guys are enjoying this, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to, you know, get notified of newer tool haul videos. We're going to review some of this stuff. Like I said, if you guys are interested in the leak detectors, I'll show some comparisons. That was kind of the point with that, because I started not trusting one that I had, and that Hilmor one, I always trusted it no matter what. It never steered me wrong, and I bought my first one. Hilmor was just kind enough to replace it for me now that I'm working with Hvacr. So I'm actually really liking that heated diode one too, and it's a cheaper option. So I'll let you guys know how those hold up. Find leaks with them. You'll see them in future videos. But if you guys have any requests for either leak detectors, I just got Milwaukee stuff in too. Any of that stuff, we'll do actual tool review videos when I get to use them out in the field. So a lot of cool stuff coming from Hvacr and Hilmor specifically. And I can't wait to see, you know, their vacuum pumps, their new manifolds, all that kind of stuff. And you bet that I'm going to review it and put it through its paces, and we'll get to it when, you know, when they come out. So like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys.